Now let's go ahead and implement this movie repository itself. And what I'm going to have is so we can collapse this. Now it is going to directly sit here into this, and let's call this movie repository itself, right? And that's it. And in here, what I'm going to have is let's call this repository. Let's implement this, right? So repository of movie it is going to take, which means all the base things which we had. And let's apply this here iMovie repository so that we can implement that. Right now let's go ahead and implement missing members. So we got this. Now what we need to do is with the following thing here, right? Yes, we need to implement this get movies by director name itself, right? So what I'm going to do here is let's return this, and let's await for that. And we are going to need, obviously we are going to need this movie context itself, and that, yeah, movie context which we are getting here. Now movies, right? And in this what we can have here, like let's say here itself, and let's have where, and let's go to m goes to m, with the director name itself, right? So we getting this director name if it is matching this director name, right? So we are just going to list and return basically, right? And that's what we are doing here. Now let's do this async. So that's it. Now let's see why it's complaining here, and let's see. Okay, yeah, we need to have this protected because we are inheriting here. So now this is fine. Now what it means, we are done with our infrastructure project as well. So in the next clip what we are going to do is we are going to get started with this our application implementation itself. So let's see whether it's building fine or not, and looks like this is going fine. And just wait a second, and yeah, so build all succeeded. And now what we can do here is in the next clip we are going to implement this application section. So let's jump to that part.